A short while ago I picked up an articulated auto carrier made by Atlas. This is N-scale. I like the looks of it, decided to pick up a second one. Show you what we got and show you how put the two together and show you how to adjust the distance between the two sections, and I'll show you a little tip that may save you a little headache later on. Alright, I went ahead and took this one out of the box. The other box has some of your parts in it. We got two screws, your center section. See if I can pop this out. Your trucks are screwed in, and right here are your two mounting points. That'll be for your screws to join the two sections together. So we'll go ahead and zoom out and we'll get this other section out. Okay, to put these together, I go ahead and lay them on their backs. Zoom in here and show you a couple points. If you look here, you've got two sets of holes. This outer hole, if you use it with the outer hole over here, makes the cars wider, so you can negotiate tight radius track. Your holes in the back here, your second holes, will allow the cars to be up closer together, but may have troubles going around tight curves. The tip I was going to show you, right here you have two holes, inner and outer, but only use the outer. That way if at some point you have a crash where a train hit the floor, most likely it's going to break at the screw. So if you mount back here, you still have your inner holes as a backup. Alright, to go ahead and put these together, I'm going to step this out of the way. Got a screwdriver and one of the screws that came with the kit. I'm going to set the cars closer together, so I'm going to use the hole to the right. Just try to line that up. We've got a little airline detail. Try to locate the hole. And once you find the hole, there we go. Go ahead and run your screw down, snug that in. Don't want to go too tight because you don't want to strip any threads out. Readjust here. We'll go in and bring our second car in. Lift this up just a little bit. My screwdriver is magnetized, so it'll hold the screws. Run that screw through. So we got those together. Alright. And that's all you need to do to put them together. This car I set for a reduced gap. The only problem is, depending on your track, you can only go so tight with it. The first one I showed you, I've got the diaphragm set wide. As you see, you can go a little tighter with that compared to the other one. But it depends on your track and how narrow or wide you want to set these. Okay, taking around to the tightest section of track I've got. As you push it around, you can see where the bodies will just touch. This is a section of track though that this will hardly ever be on. Just making contact here, but not enough to derail. I did notice though, going around here, I can hear the center trucks dragging a little bit. So we'll go back to the table and I'll show you what I found was going on. Well, I took it to the layout and I could hear dragging on the center wheel, and what I found is a little cast detail of an airline that's running right underneath, just between the wheels of the center truck. And what's happening is going around my tighter corners, we're catching. So the easy fix for that, take a X-Acto knife and you can shave this little section off. It won't show because it's on the underside. So a little something extra to check for. Make sure everything runs smooth before you set it on the railroad permanent.